Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. And so as you know, on this video we are going to discuss about a board that is called Arduino. So in this we are going to discuss about the Arduino Uno, which is a very great choice for beginners who have just started doing robotic practices, and I would really recommend it. I have heard many people saying this Arduino as a microcontroller, but actually it is not a microcontroller. In fact, there's two microcontrollers inbuilt into it. This is one, and this is another one. This one is the Atmel 328P PU, and this one is the Atmel Mega 16U2. This is going to help in the main controlling of this whole board, this digital pins and analog pins, and this is going to help in the communication. It may be software communication or hardware serial communication. And as you know, this has two ICSP things on the board, and it has one USB B jack, and you have a DC power jack. You can power this using 7 volts to 12 volts, and this is the AMS117, and it is going to transfer that 9 volts into 5 volts. Here it's written over here that it's 5 volts, and it's going to transfer. Then we have these two capacitors, and this is the 16 MHz oscillator that is going to give a clock the processor speed to this microcontroller. Again, in this we have a reset switch that is going to reset all the program and start the Arduino loop program again. And here we have a go fuse. This is going to prevent that if a current is being flown into this, and it may not be passed to this power jack into our computer when we are programming it. Otherwise, our motherboard of the computer may also be damaged. Then in this board we have some resistors, capacitors, and we have this on LED, this LED that is connected to the digital pin 13, and then we have this TX and RX LEDs. Now we are going to see the pins. In this we have three parts. One is this power, which can accept power. It's win, ground, 5 volt, 3.3 reset, IORF. You can input this to 9 volts in this win, and you have ground. Also 3.3 volt can be given as output, and 5 volt can also be as the input. Then we have this analog pins. There are 6 analog pins in Arduino Uno, and here also we have 14 of the digital pins, out of which 2 of them are RX and TX respectively, and there are 6 PWM pins, that is the pin 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. And I also heard many people, and one video I had watched on YouTube that was telling that there's a difference between a clone and an original Arduino, that that the resistor that is this is absent over in this Arduino, and this capacitor is not present. But actually I don't think so, because and the fuse was also different, but it's not a major difference because it is all almost the same. And this one Arduino clone is made by the Reese Fighter company, and it is made in India. And this one is official Arduino that is made in Italy by the Arduino official company. Well, it doesn't make actually a big difference because both of them are same, but I would like to tell you that you should at least buy 1 or 2 official Arduino products, because this helps Arduino community to develop more new products by having finance help to them. And I've also seen that the soldering in this boards, the clone boards, is not neat, but I don't think so that the boards which are made in India are like that. So because India makes good quality boards. See here, the official Arduino I have a clear soldering and everything, because it's done by machine. Then I have this whole Arduino's logo over here that tells that it is official, and same way over here that also I have very neat soldering, and can see I have a very neat soldering, and here it's the only difference is that is not official. It's selling it's open source, because as you know Arduino is open source, anyone can make it, and it is of course made in India, because this is made in Italy. If you want to buy the clone board that is more similar to the official Arduino, then it's a must that you must buy the Arduino that is made in India. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have understood the Arduino boards. Thank you.